This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, retry mechanism. What is the meant by retry mechanism? Nothing but suppose your test case was failed. What is the reason? There are a number of reasons are there. One is maybe at the time of execution, net was disconnected. Maybe second, my system configuration may be low, or maybe database server is not available suddenly. These many reasons are there. Whenever test case is failed, don't think that there is a problem. No, a number of reasons are there. Net problem, system configuration problem, maybe data server not available. These many problems are available there. So that's why I want to execute failed test cases again and again. How to execute failed test cases again and again. If three times if I'm running, still three times it is failed. So something goes wrong in that one. So that is called as a retry mechanism. So we need to execute failed test case again and again, two times, three times, four times. Still three times it is failed. Then it is a problem. So what to do? See, so yesterday I'm given failure because here I deleted create button. I'm given the wrong locator in this program. I deleted here I deleted it. So that's why my test case was failed. So whenever it is failed, I want to run this test case two, three times. I want to run two, three times again. So how to run this one? Go to the listeners package, right click, create a class, pure Java class. Pure Java class. Go to new, click on a class. Retry listener. Yes, click on finish. One pure Java class I am taking. So here also there is a one interface is there. Interface means implements I annotation control space transformer. So this one, this is interface. In this interface, there is one method is there. Observe. Go to the Google. Transform is our method. They declared. One second. Open the browser. Google. There is that. Open the Google. In that, what is the interface name? I annotation transformer. Yes. This is the one of the interface. See, yesterday we discussed test listener. Inside I annotation transformer. So what is the method available? Transform method. Inside I test annotation, one argument, class, constructor, and method. See, all are available. Transfer method. So same thing I want to implement. So what is the method? Public void transform. Transform is the method available. Method inside one, two, three, four arguments are there. One is I test annotation. Give one variable arg0 because it is the receiving method. Next class arg1 constructor arg2 method arg1. Sir, here place the cursor. Some imports are required. If any error, don't bother. Just place the cursor. It will give suggestion for you. Constructor can't be resolved. Okay, no problem. Method. Done. All. See here, I am not doing anything. Already in documentation, you can see transform is a method. See, I annotation. One variable I take arg0. Class, one class name. Constructor, any variable. Method, variable. Fine. Now I want to implement this method. So now here arg0. What is arg0? Yesterday in the listeners also arg0 is there every time. Arg0 is the receiving method. We are passing a method now from the XML file. That method will be received by arg0. Same like that here also. Arg0 will be received. So arg0 dot get retry analyzer. Get retry analyzer is a predefined method. Stored into some variable means it is taking some value. What is the type of R? I retry analyzer. Yes. Because R0 is passed up, failed up. If R equal to null, oh, R does not contain any value, means my test case was failed. Yes, because R equal to 0 means my test case was failed. Instead, I want to write arg0 dot set retry analyzer count. There are all the predefined methods. Set retry analyzer. I want to take a retry dot class. So observe here carefully. With the name of retry, there is no class. So create a class. Yes. Finish. One class will be created. Here, see. Observe carefully here. What is happening here means, sir, I am taking all the variables. I test annotation. Arg0 dot get retry analyzer. Whenever R equal to null, I am doing set retry analyzer. It will goes to retry class. So where is the retry class? See, just now created here it is coming the class. Here you can write your logic. In this one, implements there is one class is there. I retry analyzer and now see here. So it will be added to that one. So automatically the cursor come to the retry class. In this retry, you have to do your thing. So now I want to take count how many times can I run it. Private integer retry count equal to 0. Next maximum count int max retry count equal to 3. Enough. So I'm taking count. So 3 times I want to run the program. Okay. Public void retry of I test result arg0 because that method will come into the arg0. So here void is not return type. I want to return true or false boolean type. Okay. So now instead I'm writing the logic if retry count less than max retry count conditions satisfied. 0 less than 3 condition satisfied. Whenever condition satisfied, I want to run my program into 3 times. Yes, because 0 less than 3 condition is satisfied. Now, sir, observe log is a one method I will implement. I am retrying so and so test. Retrying so and so test. Which test? arg0 dot get name, because present only one method is there. Tomorrow 2-3 methods are there in my test.ng class. So which method I am passing? Every time it is arg0 receiving. Next. With the status. What is the status of that passed up failure? So I want to create a method get result status name inside arg0 dot get status direct predefined method. So it will use that status. How many times I'm running? How many times I'm running? Observe. For the yes. How many times I'm running? Retry count what it is? 0 na. So retry count plus 1. So what is the meaning? First time I am running times. Observe carefully here. What is the meaning? So first of all, log I am retrying arg0. Arg0 is nothing but this one. TC00 customer registration. Okay. If the customer registration I am retrying with the status of this is the method I am creating. arg0.get status for the retry count how much? 0. 0 plus 1 means first time I am running. So whenever I am running, you can increment your count. Retry count plus plus. So 0 less than 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3 times it will run. Or return true. Because return type boolean na return spelling wrong. I want to return or else Now done. So there is a method. What is this? This is one method. Okay, create a method. Because what is the status? One means pass, two means fail. That status I want to return here. Get result status is one method. My user defined method. So I want to compare the status here. I want to take a string variable. String result name equal to null I am given. So if because R0 status, the status will pass to here. So that is I am comparing. If the status equal to 1. So result name I can store as a pass. Yes. If status equal to 2, result name equal to fail. If status equal to 3, result name equal to 8. So that method already implemented. Return the result name. Completed. See, whenever it is coming, get results. See, control click, cursor come to here. This get status will pass to here. So status one means pass. Oh, not return null. Return that result name. Fine. But see here, log getting error. What is that? Log is also a method. Place the cursor. Create a log method. So I want to write in HTML. Reporter is the class. Reporter.log. You can pass that string. And completed our method. But there is no link between this one and that one. So I want to add this one into your XML file because yesterday in the test engine. So if you run this XML file, it is activated only listeners only. It is not activated retry listeners. No chance. So here where after after this listener, yes, here you can use listener's class name. So what it is? Package name is same package com.durgasoft listeners. Copy, paste. What is the class name? Retry. Listener. Simple thing completed. So observe carefully. Sir, first if I'm running this program, it will goes to the TC001. The customer registration will be goes to the first of all listeners class. If it is passed, it will execute. If it is failed, execute this capture screenshot. Whenever it is failed, oh, retry analyzer will getting. Oh, R equal to null because my test case was failed. Cursor goes to the retry class. It is coming to the retry class. Here my code is there. I am executing so on so test case. First time, second time, third time. Get result name method I am passing. Log method. Now run this test engine. Test engine root file. See at the time of execution, first time it is entering mail ID. It is failed. 3 times, 3 mail IDs will be generated. Observe, carefully observe. Carefully observe. First, it will click on sign in. After that, first time mail ID will be generated. See here in the mail ID, concentrate on mail ID. See, first time generated na failed. Second time. Oh. See, third mail ID 9836. So 3 times every time it is generating. Observe here. If you want fast execution will be done. Here you can see you will get full clarity. The first time QA test 8455 failed. I'm running 3 times. See, running, running. 4 runs. 1 time failure. Retry so many times. 3 times I retried or not retried? Yes. Now come to here. That is observe screenshots. How many are there? Only 2. Refresh your project. Right click. Refresh. Perfect. So see screenshot I am getting 23rd 1 2028 p.m. See today's screenshot. That's why date and time is compulsory. Remember all these programs you can practice. First time it is difficult. While practicing, you will get it. Now, in test output, go to emailable report. Inside it is getting first time, second time, third time. Observe. You will get full clarity here. See. First time, customer registration failed. Second time, third time. See, test failed, sir. Next, I retried. Oh, how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. I am given a see complete your customer registration running. Test case was failed. Second time I am given the message also. See, wow, I am retrying so and so test customer registration with the status failed for 2 times. What is this message? See, this message only. Here I am given this one. Retrying that test so and so with the status 1 time, 2 times. Got it? That message only. So second time. See here. Third time. See. Retrying so and so test. Customer registration the test case name with the status of fail for third time. Only 1 time. So 3 times I'm running. That message only this message. This is the meaning of that. I am retrying so and so test case, so and so this one. First suppose observe. Suppose sir, here only one test case is there, tomorrow so many are there. Okay, no problem. I will take another test, one dummy test for your understandable purpose. Public void HMS login I am taking. Okay. I am not doing anything, just system.out.println. System.out.println. This is HMS login. Sir, here I am not doing any code, but bucket will be passed every time. Yes, sir, no. Yes, damn sure. Passed test case won't execute 3 times. Now see, you have the first time customer registration, second time HMS login. No, if you want to take another test case, another test also you can take test. Public void. There is a dummy test, just your understanding purpose. So you won't do anything. Tomorrow you can implement all your methods. Listeners will take care. Yesterday I'm telling that is the listeners concept. So many are there? 3 test cases. Customer registration, HMS login, HMS logout. Blindly go to test engine, just run it. Won't do anything. My listeners will take care. Which test case failed? Retry listener will take care. So only 1 time, right? Listener, retry listener code, only 1 time only. Just implement all your test cases. Those 2 classes will take care. So that is one excellent concept they tested. Present I am taking one class to the 1030 bash. She's already working in US. They are asking all these concepts. Listeners, retry mechanism, how you generate extent reports. So whatever I'm telling Selenium project content, most important. With that, you can claim 2 years of experience, everything, anything. but practice is more important to you. On second thing, first one, yes, mail ID, wrong. Second one, wrong. Third time, see, 3 times it is failed. But HMS login logout, it won't fail, it will pass. So that test case, it won't execute. See here, execution completed. Totally 6 runs. 2 passes. What 2 passes? HMS login and logout. Always they pass because only system.out.println. 1 failures. How many retries? 3 times. So first mail ID failed. Then first retry. Second retry. Third retry. Excellent concept, sir. This one. Listeners and retail. Yes. Right click. Refresh. See now. Screenshot came. If we go to emailable report, open with web. Now see, HMS login, logout always pass green color. Because of there is no code now, always pass. But customer registration first time failed, retried 3 times. See here, customer registration first time failed. Wow, I am running second time, third time, first time. See, test start running HMS login, test start running HMS logout. These two should be passed. Passed green color game. But passed screenshot is not coming. Why I am not getting it? Passed screenshot. I didn't check the code yesterday. Okay, but definitely it will come. Somewhere is a small mistake. That mistake I'm see whenever failed it is capturing. Same like the passed screen also will come. You have to try. I'm given the code recording also I'm given yesterday. Then today also I will give these recordings and everything. Please go through that. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. These 3 are very important topics. Remember. So that is about our retry mechanism concept. Okay, fine. Next. So just now I'm given an HTML report. That HTML report is just only understandable purpose by test engineer only. Emailable report is there na? That one. Now this emailable report and this index.html, where is the this emailable report? Okay now. But I want to customize that report into graphical representation. That is very important. Emailable report understandable by tester only. If we give that report to the client, he will give left and right. Babu, what is this nonsense? I don't know, like that they will tell. See here, timings. This is already report. See, test start running HMS login, HMS logout. Customer registration is failed. Retrying the customer registration the status of 2 times, 3 times, 1 times. Reports. These are already ignored methods, chronological order. Next, failed methods, past methods. It is not required. Only testing is understandable. What to do client? That's why you have to customize your report with the help of extend report. Extend report. Yes, graphical representation wise we have to represent it. That is I want to take PPT and I will hand out to the client like sir, Selenium project I fail difficult. Yes, project means always difficult only. You can attend 2-3 times, then you will get it. But these concepts only most important, Saroj. Very, very important thing. Evening 5 o'clock, I started one batch yesterday. If anyone having doubts, see, first time if you're not getting it, no problem. Attend the second and third time, Pakka will get it. Okay, na? But once you're getting it, this is very, very easiest concept to Selenium is. So now, extent reports. How we can generate extent reports? So for extend reports, there is dependency is there. Dependency means go to the MVN repository. Go to MVN repository. So in this repository, type extend reports. Take the dependency. Extend reports for Selenium. Second one. 2.41.2. Copy the code. Go to the pym.xml file. Already available here. Sorry. Here. Come to here. Add last dependency. Copy, paste, save. Wait. Yes. Wait. 100% once it is completed until you have to wait. Thirty-six 50. Yes, completed. And check it Maven dependency. Extend reports came or not came. If it is not there, extend reports came. So compulsory you have to check it. If dependencies are there, then we can write your codes. So many days without jar file, they are writing the code. Don't do like that. Okay, fine. Extend reports. Go to the base page. Whatever variables required, you can declare variables like WebDriver, same like that. Extend reports variables are there. Public, static, one copy. Extend report. See, extend reports is a one class. Reference variable. Extend. Static variable declared. Next, public extend test. Extend. Sir, extend test. See, it is also a class. A reference variable test. Next, I test result. I test result is one interface. Reference variable result. And have three variable declaration completed. Sir, observe, do you know? Sir, if I write the one normal method in the base page means I have to call every time. Observe carefully. In the customer registration, how many methods are there? Three methods are there. After execution of every method, I want to generate the report. Yes or no? Concentrate here, everyone. After execution of method, you have to generate your report. So if I create one normal method means every time you have to call here, call the method. Instead of calling every time, what I was doing is understandable, easy to purpose. I can take after method notation. What will happen? This method will execute every time. Otherwise, you can generate the method, call the three times. Every time you can call that method here. End of the case here you can run. Here you can. Instead of calling that, if I can add at the rate after method, for every method, this one will execute. Public void end report. Inside I test result. See, what is the meaning of after method? Babu, in your customer registration, how many tests are there? After every test, my end of the report will be executed. Because I don't want call. That's a simply can you add it after method. So result. What I want to take, get the result method. Okay. Get result of he can pass that result. So what is this result? This is the method name. Get result is my user depend method. Okay, create the method. Yes, I'm creating a method. Public. Observe carefully. So the result will be this method name. First, yes, customer registration. Second, HMS login. Third, HMS login. This methods will be received argument is the result. Get result I am calling. So automatically this result will be passed as argument to result 2. Now if it is a success or failure, what is happening? That one I want to write. Now see, come to inside method implementation. If result 2 dot get status predefined method equal to I test result dot success. So if it is getting success, what is the test variable? Test variable na? Test dot log. Then you can do the log status and message. Log status dot pass. Oh, my test case was passed. Which test case? Result 2. Result 2 dot get name. So answer test is passed. Enough. So because if success means it is passed. No, na, else if. Second case. Result 2 dot get status. If it is success, okay, I'm giving test case is passed. If it is not success, escape. What to do? Copy paste. Result dot pass or skip. Dot escape. So and so test is skipped. And the reason is, how to get the reason? Result 2 dot get throwable is the command. So what is the reason? It will tell. Yes, completed. Suppose if it is failed, oh, else if result 2 dot get status is not skipped, this time failed. Failure. Ayyo. What is the reason? I am asking. And I am printing. Test is failed. The test is failed. And the reason is get try. Completed. One concept completed. Because end report will came, it will pass to that one, it is going to that one. Now observe carefully. Sir, if you run this one, okay, fine, I am also happy. But the problem is, if I run this one, only one time it will be executed. Every time reports will be overriding. Yes, I am running every 10 times or every half an hour like that. If I am running, what is happening? It will be overriding the report. Oh. So what to do? Dynamicism. So in the base page, you can declare a block, static block. Then how the static methods are there? Static block. Every time whenever base page cursor come, the static block will be executed. Dynamicism is calendar. Those things already you know. calc equal to calendar dot get instant. Yesterday I showed date one. Give the pattern dd month year hours minutes seconds. Given reference variable. What is the type? Simple date format. Completed. So dynamic is for the purpose. Sir, what is the static block means? Whenever you cursor come to page, static block will be executed every day. Dynamicism purpose. So extend reports is a class. Extend reference variable. I want to create object to extend report class. Give the path of the file. System dot get property current directory user dir and concatenation with src main java com Microsoft e-commerce. See here. Okay, sir, create a package with the name HTML report. There is no package. So create a new package for the HTML reports. HTML reports. Finish. Okay, sir, see com Microsoft e-commerce HTML reports. Test. Inside date and time, that is mandatory. Date and time very, very important. Date format. Format of cal dot get time dot HTML format. One second, sir. HTML. Sir, every time I want to run, for every instance, it makes false. Date format, dot format. Am I did any mistake? Date format. By that error, remove argument to format. So now see here now. So first calendar instance, simple date format, new extend report, current directory, src main Java e-commerce test, date format, calculation. Perfect. Save. So now what I was doing is, so for every time after method will executed, get result came, this will be done. Mari, at the time of before method, what to do? I want to view so and so status will be started now. So at the rate before method. So once the test case started, the That is end of report. But starting report public void start report. Method result. Import is required. Java triangular. Yes. So for every method, this is the starting report. So what I want to do, so and so test case started. That message I want to write here. So test equal to extend dot start test. Which test? Result dot get name. Now test dot log. Give the information. Log status dot info. So I'm telling just information. What is that? So and so test case started. Result dot get name. So and so test is started, completed. So how many methods are there in our test case? 0, 0, 1. Every time before method it executes. After method get result static way. So come to here 0, 0, 1. Sir, here before test now I can take before class. Before class I am launching browser. So after class, after execution of all classes, after class, I want to end public void end test. So here I want to close browser. What is the close browser? Close browser is a method. Oh, create a method. In the close browser, so just I want to close the browser. Driver.page. After that, extend dot call the end test of test. Next, cleaning process. Extend flash. Completed. So before class browser launches, after class close the browser, this method will be executed. For every time I'm not calling, that's why before method, after method. Sir, if you are not given before method, after method annotations, so your responsibility is to call the method every time. You have to call the method every time. Just Shabana. After method means observe. Why I am giving after method means in the TC001, how many tests are there? 3 test cases are there. Customer registration, second test, third test. For every test, I want to generate the report. If you want to add that one, what will happen? You have to call this method into 3 times. For every time, we have to call. What is the meaning of after method annotation? For every method, this method will execute. For every time, before method, after method, what they use? For every method, before it will execute. For every method after, it will, because after execution of the method, you want to generate the report. Yes or no? That's why I'm given after method. Suppose if you're not using this annotation, you have to call this enter report here every time. Here you can call every time end report, end report, end report like that. Instead of that, simply I'm using annotation. Getting it? Then now save. Now save that and run the TC001. Give your mail ID, Saroj. Because you are evening batch, na, that's why only morning students are getting the recordings and those things. Sir, see, it is opening. It is clicking on sign in. So here observe only. See, I am not executing test in XML. Okay, na. So that's why observe only one time it is running. See here. If I am not running test ng, see only one mail ID generated. Okay. See HMS login, HMS logout pass customer registration failed. I am not running test ng, just XML report purpose I am running this one. That's only one time executed. See here, no retry mechanism, nothing. Now HTML report, refresh your project, right click, refresh. Excellent, sir. HTML report tests came. Wow, excellent, very good, perfect. See 23/1/21/857. Right click, open with a web browser. If you want to run test engine, yes, that is also no problem. HTML report will generate a log post, everything. Yes, perfect, sir. This is our HTML extendable report. See, customer registration failed. HMS login logout always pass. Here come to dashboard, enable dashboard. See, green color, 2 passes, 1 failed. Info, information, failed, passed. See, here information is also available there. Here information is there. Customer registration failed, passed. So see here, customer registration test is started. Okay, na, but it was failed. If you go to HMS login started, HMS login is passed. HMS logout started, HMS logout is passed. So see, because those are dummy methods, so that's why always they are passed. I'm given wrong locator, that's why it was failed. I'm given some information, those information. See, each test case to test case. Yes, yes, yes. If you run second time after some time, date and time, see, 2021 with the date and time I'm providing. The most valuable concept today, whatever I'm telling, these HTML report, failed screens, passed screens, listeners, retry mechanism, and this extend report, most valuable concepts. Remember. No, no, no. Excel format is not accepted, Nitin. Client always asking graphical representation only. Okay, na? Excel format is no. So whatever reports are there now, we have to prepare one PPT and given that PPT to the client. Nitin, Excel reports already in the regular class. I'm telling the test case passed or failed like that. So that is depends upon companies. As per my knowledge, 80 to 90% using extent reports only. Nitin. So now observe carefully. So now two concepts are done: retry mechanism and resume preparation. Separate class is not required. I will share my resume and I will share some students of resumes. Okay, na? Based on that format, you can prepare your resume forward to me, Mamta. Whatever the mistakes and everything is there, corrections I will do. Mamta. I will do some 2-3 resumes, fresher, experience, and my resume. Whatever points you can require, take that points and see the 2-3 resume formats. Based on that, you can prepare. You can forward to my mail ID. I will check it and I will do the corrections. That is the easiest procedure. So now, yeah, yeah, I will add. I will add.
Sir, yesterday class I'm not get mail, sir.
So now take 10 minutes.
This conference will now be recorded.
So now grid one is nothing but the parallel execution implemented in RC is called as a grid one. Grid two is nothing but the grid concept implemented in WebDriver is called as a grid two. Remember, don't think that regular class is grid one, project class is grid two. No, the grid, the implemented with WebDriver is called as a grid two. First of all, what is grid? Already you know, parallel execution. Sir, here a concept is there. Parallel execution means generally, sir, physical setup should be available. 3-4 machines physically available. Okay, in one machine Mac, in one machine Linux, in one machine Windows, and I have to use the different browsers also. But I want to do parallelly. So whenever the grid implemented in WebDriver is called as a grid 2, whenever it was implemented with RC is called as grid 1. That is the difference. So grid is for parallel execution. Already we know different browsers, different operating system. We have to do parallelly. But here, sir, remotely I can create one server that is nothing but a hub, and I have to connect different clients. That is called as a node. One hub and different nodes. Sir, by using JUnit, grid concept is not possible because JUnit is a serial execution. In the TestNG, both serial execution, parallel execution is possible, but JUnit it is not possible. TestNG only supported parallel execution, JUnit only serial execution. That's why grid concept can be implemented in a TestNG only. Remember. So I will open one diagram. See that one. First, I will show the diagram architecture. Then I will write the program. Wait. Where is that? Hub.txt. Yes. See the diagram architecture. Excellent. So first I will write a Java WebDriver program. Already you know any program, just to launch SpiceJet or launch Gmail, Google, anything. So already you know how to write Selenium with the Java program. Okay, fine. Sir, here directly I'm not running. There is a one class is there, remote WebDriver. I will show that one also. From the remote WebDriver I am running. Sir, my desired capabilities, Windows are available in my machine. My program I have given to the hub. What is the hub? Nothing but a server. Hub is my machine. One hub contains Windows. From is, if it is a wide protocol is there with the JSON connected to node 1, node 2, node 3, different nodes. How to create I will tell. First node contains Chrome, Firefox, IE, Safari, and operating system Windows. Second node contains Chrome, see version different, Firefox like that, MacBook. Third node Linux. Actually, this type of physical setup can be created within the organization. But every machine compulsory, these drivers are compulsory. Chrome.exe, Java driver, IE driver. These common because if you want to launch browser, drivers are compulsory. So this is the architecture. Now what I was doing is Remotely, I can create one hub. I can create the node. I can pass a program from the hub to the node. So whenever each node will be executed, the node will be disabled. Node will be disabled. Node will be disabled. So parallelly, it will do the execution of the program. So I will tell how to run in a single node. Multiple nodes means with the help of the test engine. Already you know that one. So how we can do this architecture into the practically? Hub is nothing but a server. Hub is nothing but a one server. It is connected with multiple nodes. Nodes are nothing but clients or whatever you can call. But how to create a hub? So go to the command prompt, CMD prompt. This is my CMD. Observe very careful, important, very important here. Sir, whatever jar file is there, run that jar file through command prompt. How to run it? See in the library. Observe carefully. So I want to run the jar file here. So to run the jar file, Java hyphen jar space. So give complete name, Selenium server, standalone, jar file, like that. Instead of that, simply you can drag and release. Enough. Complete path came or not came. Java hyphen jar e library my jar file. What is the role? Hyphen role you have. So this I can use multiple times. So I can copy paste into notepad because I can use multiple times this command. Yes. So note down the command Java hyphen jar in the chat panel I am given. Take this wherever it is available. E library na where hyphen role hub. Just click on enter, enough. Wow, see. So starting I'm telling you by default the server will be running on always 4444 only. So the client, see, the client should be connected here. So Selenium grid hub is running, started, your hub started. Where you want to check, I will tell. Take this IP address 192.163 up to here. Take the IP address. Open any one of the browser, paste it, enter. Yes, very good, perfect. Go to the console. Empty, only grid only. Nodes are not connected here. Sir, see how to create hub. Just Java hyphen jar, give your Selenium server standalone path hyphen role hub. Done. So don't close this one. If you are closing this command prompt, your hub will gone, your server will gone. How to create a node? Take another CMD prompt. Don't close this. Take another one. Here take the same. Take the sorry. Take the same command. Which command? Just now copy paste. That's why I copy pasted. Copy paste here, but not a. It is a node. What is this? It is a one node I am given. Enter. What is happen? Observe. So net compulsory. Without net, don't do. It is automatically registered to the server. Observe. The node is registered to the hub, ready to use. Yes, it is registered. What they are telling, the node is registered to the hub. So refresh your browser. Coming or not coming? Refresh. Wow, excellent. One IE browser, 5 Firefox browsers, 5 Chrome browsers. So yes, Sir, by default port numbers different, 5838 something is there. If you want to run your own port number, that is also possible. See, so I connected second node. Observe carefully. Hyphen role node hyphen hub. What is the address? What is the server address? Go to the server page. This is the server address. If you want a specific port number, then only required, otherwise not required. I'm telling all possibilities. Hyphen port, my port number I want to give 33. So what is happened? Oh, I am telling Babu, run the node. The hub is on, so you can take the enter. Mahesh, refresh. Sorry, this is one node. Observe, whenever refreshing, second node will come. Wow, perfect. See, 3333 port number. How many browsers are there? One IE, 5 Firefoxes, 5 Chromes. One student is asking, sir, why 5? I want my required browsers. Suppose I want IE5, Firefox 10, Chrome 8. Oh, no problem. Your wish. My Guna, I will tell. Anything is possible. How? Observe. Now, what is the third concept? My required number of browsers. One second. What to copy means Java hyphen grid until hub register. Until here copy. Sir, observe first to what I am telling. Second, my required port number. Third, number of browsers I increase. So Java hyphen jar. So here register. After that hyphen browser name Chrome comma how many you can require max instances. I'm given 10. Okay. So 10 came from so next hyphen browser name IE mentioned IE only one is there so IE explore max instances equal to 5 hyphen port number 9999. See now simple. Just what I'm telling Babu Java hyphen jar my jar file. This is the node connected to the hub. Hub address is this one. My required browsers Chrome 10 I want and IE 5 I want. My port number is 99. Copy. Take one more command prompt. Paste and run it. So this is your required browsers, your required instances. Wow, the node is ready. Refresh. Excellent. Excellent. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. IE 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Required port number 99. If you want Firefox also same. Hyphen browser name equal to Firefox instances 20. See first one by default. Second one my required port number. Third one required port number with required browsers. All possibilities. So I know how to create hub and how to create the node. Okay, fine. But my requirement is I want to create a program and I want to pass this diagram. Hub I'm creating. I know how to write the program. I can pass to the remote web driver. So this one to one node. Whenever I'm running, one node will be disabled. If I'm running second node, third node, all will be disabled. Now see, sir, whenever observe carefully, if I'm closing the command prompt, if I'm closing the command prompt, your nodes will gone, your server will gone. If you refresh, everything gone. So compulsory command prompt should be there. Everything gone. Because all I'm closing now, no connection. Again, what to do? Open command prompt, write the code, nonsense. Instead of that, I want to create a bad files. See, same code dot bad files. So in that I want to write the code. Observe. Already created. Up dot bad. See, just notepad, sir. Right? Okay. Write the code. That 2 lines code. See, I will edit. See, just what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything. Just one line. Java hyphen jar file name hyphen roll hub. Save with hub.bat extension and won't do anything. You don't do anything. Just to save with .bat. Now see, instead of opening the command prompt, typing everything, just double click. Just double click that bat file. Automatically will run. Wow, how it is easy. This is easy or not? Yes. Because previously, every time I'm opening that and now see, open the command prompt. Yes. Excellent. Console came automatically. Now server started. Otherwise, what happened? Open command prompt and write the command and doing all these nonsense. Instead of that file. So that code you can write into one notepad, save with the name .bat. And my hub started. Sorry, see the node code. I will open node, entire web driver. Observe carefully. Carefully observe. Read and take. I will send it one to you. See, first Java. Next, I am writing WebDriver now. So WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Where is your driver? That driver path. WebDriver, IE driver. So these things already you know. But small syntax is different. D WebDriver, J4 dot driver, the path. Hyphen jar, E library, Selenium server standalone, node, browser name, max instances, C Chrome 10, IE 5. So IP address, grid, registered, port number 9999. Now what is IP address here? 192.168.43.69. Same. So I will send this code. Double click on the node. Enough. Job will become completed, sir. Sir, node server started only. No, program I will write. Wait. Just this is, sir, the node is registered to the hub. For more clarity, go to browser, refresh. Excellent. See, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Firefoxes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Chromes. 1, 2, 3, 5 IEs. See the node. What I'm telling, I'm clearly telling. Babu IE 5, Babu Firefox 8, Nina Chrome 10. Same came. So now my browser is ready, my node is ready, server and everything. Sir, getting clarity. So that is the hub code, sir. I will give this code. Please take this one. Because if you are typing, you are getting mistakes and all those things. Take the node. How to create the node? The chat panel I am giving. Please take this. Simple copy paste into a notepad. Save with node.bat. Already hub code I am given. Save into hub.bat. So IP address, please check. Based on your system, IP address may be changes. My IP address is 192.168.43. Please take care about that IP address. So whenever server started, take this IP address, HTTP IP address. Then you can give to the node. So now perfect, sir. My server ready. In the server, one node is ready. My node contains 5 Firefoxes, Chromes, and IEs. Now I will write a small program. Just I'm launching Google or SpiceJet, and I want to run this program to the node. So now see, all browsers are in the enabled mode. Whenever my program running, one by one browser will be disabled because remotely I'm running na. So take a class. So right click, go to new, click on normal Java class, Selenium hub, public static void main, click on finish. Yes. So now here, insert you can write. So see the diagram. I am taking desired capabilities. Desired capabilities is one class. Why means based on that I can set the browser name, I can set the platform, I can set the options and everything. So in the desired capabilities class, all the methods are available. Whenever it is a class, create object. Desired capabilities, control space, yes. Whenever capabilities are there, give reference variable. What is the type? Class. Desired capabilities. Perfect. So with the DS, set the browser name. Which browser? Suppose my required browser Chrome. If you want Firefox, you can use Firefox. Your wish. Set to platform. Which platform? Suppose I want to run in the Windows 10 or 8. Simply can use Windows. Any Windows if you run. Sir, new. Sir, here some problem is there. Chrome options. Class available? Yes, available. Chrome options, yes. Sir, I'm setting the browser name, I'm setting the platform Windows, I'm setting the Chrome. Now, sir, in this, the command method is not coming. cp.merge. Yes. Which one? Your DS capabilities. Total will merge into one place. Sir, where you want to run? Okay, what is your hub address? Go to the server. Yes, take this hub address. Second one. Hub is there, na? This address. Take this URL address into your program. Address means string. So string is the data type. It is hub URL. Double quote, just copy paste. Just address. Because I want to tell na where you want to run your program. I want to tell that. So now how to run? Remote WebDriver, not normally. Because in the remote WebDriver, you have to pass the URL and your desired capabilities. In the desired capabilities, what is the purpose? Which browser, which platform? So new remote WebDriver. In the documentation, you can check new remote WebDriver. Control space. Remote, spelling mistake, sorry. Remote WebDriver. Sir, what is asking? URL address and your capability. Sorry, third one. Remote WebDriver. You can tell your remote address and capabilities is DS. How to give address? New URL. URL is your predefined class. Observe. Okay. Yes. URL. I want to provide hub URL. Yes. What is capabilities? DS. Difference variable. What I'm given? DS now. You can do DS. Give one reference variable. Driver. What is the interface name? This story common. Sir, by the term exceptions, URL exception will come. So simple, I can add main class exception. See, malformed URL, I know exception class, that is the main class. Completed. Now you can write your program. Driver get, give any URL, http:// Selenium by Mahesh.com. Next, I want to build the something I'm writing, your wish anything. Driver get title. Just I'm that. Driver dot manage dot. See, first this one. I'm not doing anything. Just I'm passing. Okay, I'm running into one remotely. Observe carefully. So now okay, concentrate here. Now all are in enable mode. When our program running, one browser will be disabled. See that? Run it. Because I am running in the Chrome browser, Chrome will be disabled. If you want to run parallelly, take test.ng. Already explained in that, XML. In XML, you can take and pass it. So see here carefully. It is running. It is opening. Just multiple browsers or one program we can take, we can run into the multiple browsers. Once it is opening, it will maximize. Perfect. See, Selenium by Mahesh, title I'm getting learn from expert. My program will be completed. Now see, remotely see, now all are enabled. Whenever I'm refreshing, observe here, concentrate, please everyone. All are enabled. Whenever I can refresh, one browser will be disabled. See. Yes, see how it is disabled. So remotely it is running on the Chrome browser. If I'm running second time, again see, it will disable the second browser. All browsers at a time, take test.ng class. If my browser is IE, run Chrome. That code already you know in regular sessions. That's why I'm explaining starting itself only. How to run a program, agile control program, multiple browsers explain the same concept here also. But here main concept, how to create hub, how to create node, how to give the code. These things only important enough. Sir, for every program not required. Whenever I want to go to compatibility testing, different operating systems, then only we can do this one. Otherwise, every time, no need, not required to you. Don't bother about that. Sir, come to again refresh. Yes, second one gone. Now you observe here. Sir, if your program correct, then only it will be gone because I am running on that server. Maybe proxy authentication means I don't have that much clarity about that one, Yogi. I will let you know because proxy means that is completely URL testing. This is parallel operating systems I am running. Here I am not checking any URLs and all those things. No. So this is the code. That is the this is the server code. How we can write the server and how we can run the node. So compulsory these two must and should in the running. See, otherwise see browser name Chrome, platform Windows. Whenever I'm running, it is running in the Chrome. Everything will be coming here. So that is the grid 2 concept. Next, Jenkins and GitHub.